What's up guys, Johnny here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how we are able to take a small account of $300 making about 3% a day, and we were able to grow it to $30,000, still be able to make about 3% a day, and how I was able to buy my dream car all within just a few months. Now, yes, you did hear me correctly. Only took a few months to get to that goal. Now, we're going to show you in this video exactly how I did that. We're going to go into my computer and show you some of the trades I made, as well as how you can do the same thing moving into the future. So all that I ask is that you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let us begin. So let me share my screen with you guys, and as you can see here, I already pulled up the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. Now, why is this important? Well, for one, okay, this company, if you would have invested in it in October 27th at about $65, you could have sold at a high and made 22%. We're looking at this little box right here. Could have made 23% profit. Now 23% profit on even a $1,000 account would be $230. Now you're probably thinking, well, $230 isn't a substantial amount, especially in 157 days. Well, guys, it really is. Now there's an opportunity for you to get into this position and buy and make some more money. Now this tracks the overall market. So if it bounced back up to previous highs, that's about 5%, right? A 5% increase. Even 5% on $1,000 is about 50 bucks. But the great thing about this is it pays dividends. Now, it paid 61 cents on March 20th per share that you owned. Now, I was able to get a substantial amount of shares. We're talking a couple of hundred shares into this company and grow this account exponentially. At any point in time between October and I'd say March, you would have made money if you invested in this company. Not only that, I was able to get 74 cents in December for those shares. So 100 shares at 74 cents would be about $74. Now, that's not much either. But when you have a couple hundred shares, now you're making seven times 3, say $200 in December, $200 again in March, plus this huge appreciation. Now, if you had $10,000 invested into Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, then that 23% gain would now be $2,300, right? Because 23% of 10,000 is $2,300, right? I'm a numbers guy. I like numbers. I like math. Very simple to understand. So now that's a big difference. Taking $1,000 and only making 230 bucks to now having $10,000 and making $2,300. Now, of course, I've already sold the majority of my position at that $80 mark. It is starting to come down, and I'm going to buy some more here and ride the wave back up. Now, Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, or ticker symbol SCHD, is not the only company that has some great benefits. And this is also not the only company that I've invested in. Over time, I've invested in a substantial amount of other companies in my $30,000 account, and that is a margin account. Now, we are on my individual cash account right now, where I was able to take $1,000 from my $30,000 account, fund this one, so we can kind of get on your guys' level and showcase to you my day trades, swing trades, as well as my long-term plays and dividend capturing strategies. Now, with that said, we are able to grow our account and do it in record amount of time. A lot of people like to use Robinhood or WeBull. I use WeBull in particular. I've used Robinhood in the past. There's nothing against either one of them. I believe that Robinhood is a lot more beginner friendly when getting involved into stocks. Now, there is a link below for all three of the platforms I use. I use Robinhood, WeBull, and MooMoo. I even have a TD Ameritrade account for some long-term hold positions. Now, why am I telling you this? I'm telling you this because this is a great opportunity right now in the market to showcase to you guys the potential of buying stocks. So if we go to QQQ, Invesco QQQ Trust, this is a company that tracks the 1-for-1 of the NASDAQ market. So if the NASDAQ market is up, then it's up. If it goes down, then it's down. And again, if you would have invested in this company at any point in time, even a year ago, October 22nd to now, you would have made 74% profit. Now that is over 525 days, so let's just say about a year and a half. But at any point in time in this year and a half, you could have made money. The money is going up, stocks are doing great, everything's going good, and you could have made money. Now they do pay a small dividend yield of about 0.5%, so that's not very much. But 73% on even $1,000 investment would have been $730. And you're like, well, $730 isn't a whole lot in a 2-year span. No, it's not. But what if that 73% was your ROI on a $10,000 account? Now you're looking at $7,300 of profit within 2 years, and then it's about $3,500 per year. If you wanted to, downsell and calculate it a little bit more, that's roughly, maybe like 50 to 100, a couple $100 a month. Wouldn't be a heck of a lot. I think it's like $300 or $400 a month. Now, why am I telling you this? Because they also pay dividends. They had a dividend of 65 cents. So if you had 100 shares, it'd be about $65, $47, $50, $53, $80, $20, and $57 on a $1,000 investment. Now, think of it as $10,000, okay? $10,000, that'd be $470 in March. Another $500 in June. Another $500 in September, $800 in December, another $200 a month later as a special dividend that they paid out. And now you're looking at another $500 on March 18th. So that's amazing, right? But again, the share price is super high. So we wouldn't necessarily trade QQQ. What we would do instead is trade TQQQ. Now it has 3% leverage and it's only $60. So look at the same area of return if we can here. This is October 14th. So let's go to October 14th, right around here, October 14th. To where we are now. Look at this, guys. This is over 273% profit in the exact same amount of time. So if you had $1,000, you would actually make $2,700 on $1,000. You literally would have tripled your initial $1,000 investment and would now have close to $3,000. Now at the dividends, 14 cents, 12 cents, 13 cents, 22 cents, 21 cents, right? Now, $10,000 can buy you a lot of shares. Even $1,000 can buy you quite a bit of shares. That would be about, I think, 15, down at the $17 level. So let's see, 15 at $17. It would have been a heck of a lot more. You would have been closer to, what's that, like 70, maybe 60 shares. So 60 shares of 60 shares at $17 would have been $1,000 investment. You take that same 60 shares and you now sell it at market, okay? You would now have $3,700, right? So that's $2,700. And the math is right there, clear as day. Plus you're getting dividends as you grow this account. Now, why am I telling you this? Well, because I made some money and maybe you didn't, right? So let's get you on the same page and on the same boat as me to make some money. Now, it did have a pullback. As you can see here, there was a nice 8% pullback. And it's actually starting to showcase signs of it going back up. It's up 6%. Even 10% to this previous would be $100 on $1,000 investment. Plus, you have the opportunity to get dividends. Now, by simply investing in companies that have a strong track record of going up over time, you're able to have a lot less risk when investing. Now, yes, there was down times here, and those are opportunities to either buy more when it dips, leverage down. So say you're at 17, maybe you sell at the top, wait for it to pull back and you buy more at 20, and you wait until it goes up again from that 20 level up to here. That's 116% in less time, about 127 days. You wait for that to pull back, okay? Because you don't want to hold if it's going down. You sell up here and you wait. Now you buy again here at the $30 level. Buying at the $30 level, you could have then sold up here another 66% profit. Now 66% profit is really good. Even on $1,000 investment, that's $600. $600 in 60 days. $600 in 60 days. That's $10 a day to hold your money here on a small $1,000 account. Now, as you're growing, you're compounding your money's starting to compound. You're taking that 1,000, now it's 3,000, that 3,000 is now 10,000, that 10,000 is now maybe 20, 15, 30,000 dollars. And that's when the gains start going exponentially. Okay, started with 1,000, now you have 2,000 to buy here. Now you have 3,000, now you have 5,000. And as you're going up, you're making dividends, you're making more money, and you're taking that small account from making $5 a month, $10 a month, to now making substantial amounts of money, maybe $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 a month. And then that's when you could decide, hey, I don't even need to work anymore. Well, heck, I could do this full time. And you really could. And it all starts with saving some money. First, you got to save money. And then what you can do is actually grow your money, right? And that's going to take time. So this video is to showcase to you what I've done and what's possible to you. Some easy, simple strategies that you can use to be able to beat the market. I'm going to delete all these lines while I'm talking. But overall, guys, that is how I did it. It's how you can do it. Very simply, it's not rocket science. It's literally just finding good companies, solid companies that are going to grow over time and put money into your pocket. Start with $50, start with $10. Robinhood literally just ask for your information, and then I don't even think you have to invest anything for Robinhood. You get free shares for signing up. WeBull, I believe you have to invest at least $10. $10 can get you started today. Sign up with the links below and you'll get multiple free shares, tons of resources that you can use to start your trading journey. So guys, that's what I'm asking you to do. Get your saved money, put it into an account, and start growing it with some easy companies like that to start with. SCHD, QQQ, Invesco. Those are two solid companies. There's also VOO, VTI, even Gladstone right now. Gladstone's paying 16 cents per share per month, which is about 10% a year. It's about a $20 share price. I mean, I'm pretty sure you have $20 and you can start making $2 every single year with $20. Now, if you found this video interesting, let me know by smashing that like button and leaving a comment that you found value in this. You can also subscribe to the channel. I have over 5,000 videos on my YouTube channel that you can definitely check out for free. Let me showcase that to you real quick. And you guys can really just see all the different videos that I have that are talking about dividends, that talk about day trading and swing trading. Now, back to investing. That is also something that I like to do. And let me showcase that to you now. As you can see, Investing for Beginners community. We do have a private group of over 70,000 members. We have almost 100 subscribers and over 550 videos. We talk about real estate, stocks, strong buy stocks, REITs. We also go over credit, debt, how to start paying that off. And as you can see here, we have Sunday Stock Talks, how to start investing for beginners. There's SCHD ETF right here, where you can just start investing $5 a day, $5 a week, $5 a month. We also have dividends, YouTube Shorts, and we have all my stuff in WeBull, as well as how to day trade and swing trade, and a bunch of live streams actually showing you guys my day trade and swing trade strategies. If you guys like that stuff, definitely subscribe to the channel, smash that little bell so you don't miss anything, and we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching and spending part of your day with us, and we'll see you next time.